So we spent 3 weeks in Krabi, Thailand with our friend Jan. Mostly we were working on making videos for Nina's new stretching course, which will launch soon, so feel free to follow Nina on Instagram if you want to get more flexible. Some of her fans were so excited about this new course that they came with a helicopter to watch the production. Anyway, I've still managed to capture some of Krabi's beauty. 3 best things we did were the top Kak Hang Hill nature trail hike, waking up early to catch sunrise on Noppharat Thara beach, and we also did the 5 islands boat tour. Here is how it was in 1 minute.